Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to change the cabin air filter on the 2014 Honda Accord. Open up your glove box, make sure you take everything out of it, all the junk you have in there. And we're going to start by pushing this down. Push it down to unclip it. Okay, just a little latch. Next, we're going to push on the sides and drop this down. Okay, your filter's inside of here. Just push this in and out. Same thing here, in and out. This cover comes off. And this is your filter. Just pull it out. And this filter's seen better days. See how dirty it is? Now, when you go get a new filter to put it in, make sure the arrows are facing down. See these? It says airflow going up. Somebody put this in wrong. Okay, so it's supposed to be arrows, airflow going down. See how dirty this is? It has all the leaves and stuff on it. Because everything's coming in from the top. See, this side's a little cleaner. So when you get a new filter, make sure you do it with the arrows facing down. Push it back in. And this just clips right back on. Okay, put this back on. Just squeeze the sides and push it in place. Next, pull out this latch, put it in place, and push up to clip in place. Okay, put everything back in there, and you're all done. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.